What's up guys, it's Max from PGR Tech here, and today we're going to be looking at another PC build. Today's budget is £400, which only really allows for a very basic, bang for your buck build. So, because of this, I've decided to go with integrated graphics, as it allows for a bit more flexibility as you don't spend lots of money on a graphics card. Starting off our build is the Ryzen 3 2200G processor. With 4 cores and 4 threads at 3.5 GHz, it's a good mix of clock speed and multitasking ability. For only £86, this is an absolute steal as it covers the CPU, cooler and graphics, providing a decent chunk of the PC with a single part. Moving on to the motherboard, I've chosen an MSI B450M Bazooka ATX motherboard. It's a very simple motherboard, but yet provides for all the things this PC may need. It has the basic feature set of most other motherboards in this price range, but also looks very clean and minimalistic, therefore rising to the top of my list. At only £78, this is a great option for those looking to minimize cost wherever they can. With the RAM, I found the T-Force Delta RGB RAM to be the best deal. With a price of £77, 2 DIMMs of 4GB RAM sticks won't come much cheaper than this. With a fast 2666 MHz speed to feed the Ryzen processor and the additional bonus of RGB lighting, it's clear why I chose this RAM for this build. And onto the storage. First off, we have 128GB ADATA SSD for the operating system, and then a 1TB Seagate Barracuda hard drive for the rest of the games and applications to be stored on. Both these items are fairly cheap, coming to around £50 for the total storage. Both Seagate and ADATA are both very reliable brands, and I'm sure these products won't suggest otherwise. As for the case, I've chosen the very well-known NZXT S340 in black, as the neutral colour won't hurt any sort of colour coordination you may decide to implement into your build. As you may already know, this case is simply one of the best out there for the price. At £60, it will be very hard to beat or even match the quality provided by this case at such a low price. Finally, powering the system is the Cooler Master Bronze 450W power supply. As there isn't a graphics card or many other parts to this minimal build, it won't draw a lot of power, so 450W will be more than enough to supply your PC and will almost certainly handle any future upgrades you may want to throw at it. Overall, I think this PC is absolutely insane for the price, and the amount you can get out of this PC is spectacular. Coming in at just under £400, is this the best budget PC build on the market in 2018? If you have any questions about this build, feel free to ask them down in the comment section below, and if you're interested in other budgets or PC builds, check out the videos in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to stay up to date with future videos. I've got some amazing videos on the way, so stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video.